how's it going, man? Hey, I'm Officer Rashad of the Shreveport Police Department. Man, the only reason I'm stopping you, not a big deal. Whenever you're coming down here, you tag the yellow line like you were about to go off the road. That's it. I was making sure you ain't drunk or nothing crazy like that, man. You doing all right today? Any weapons in the car, man? No? Okay. You got an ID license? You got insurance on the car? All right, sweet. What year is it, man? It's nice. I like it. Thank you, sir. How long have you had it? Okay. You need to fix it up yourself? Oh, my bad. I got you, man. You still staying on Wagner, or are you somewhere else now? Jefferson Page? Okay. I got you. Hey, whenever you go get a new license, I see you just got it, but man, whenever you get a chance, whenever you get money, just go get a new license, because I'm not going to write you a ticket for it, but if a state boys ever get you, they're going to write you a ticket for having the wrong address. So I ain't tripping on nothing like that, though, okay? Not a big deal, boss. All right, Mr. Taylor. Hey, man, just hop out there. I'm going to talk to you back there, and then I'm going to get you on your way, okay? All right, man. Do what? Oh, I talked to everybody out there. That's all. That's it. Yeah, so Pennsylvania versus Mims Supreme Court case, I can order anyone out of a vehicle for any reason. I don't need probable cause. If you make it more difficult than it needs to be, we can go that route, but man, I'm just trying to get you out of here quick. I don't need probable cause to get you out of the vehicle. Okay, man, you don't have to understand it. Okay, just get out the car, okay? At least turn the car off so I know you ain't gonna run off. Okay, turn the car off. All right, step out the car, man. Who's your cousin? Who's your cousin? You say you... Okay, well, just hop out the car, man. Dude, get out the car. I'm not gonna fucking tell you again. Get out the car. Hey, he's got something in his hand. He's got something in his hand. Hey, get his hand. Get his hand. He's leaving. I swear to God, I'll shoot you. He's got a gun. He's got a gun. He's got a gun. He's got a gun. Get up. Get up. Get up. Let's fire this bitch. You say you... Okay, well, just hop out the car, man. Dude, get out the car. I'm not gonna fucking tell you again. Get out the car. Hey, he's got something in his hand. He's got something in his hand. Turn the car. All right, step out the car. See, I'm gonna call my wife. Okay, just hop out the car, man. Dude, get out the car. I'm not gonna fucking tell you again. What am I getting out the car?
Get out of the car, man. Get out of the car.
Get out, get out, man. Get up his hand. Motherfucker. Hey, get his hand. Get his hand. I'm going to get something. I'm gonna shoot you, motherfucker. I swear to God, I'll shoot you. Yeah, he's got a gun. He's got a gun! He's got a gun! He's got a gun! Get out! Get out! Get out! Dude, get out the car. I'm not gonna fucking tell you again. What am I getting out the car?
Get out of the car, man.
swear to God. I'm gonna shoot you, motherfucker. I swear to God, I'll shoot you. Yeah, he's got a gun. He's got a gun. He's got a gun. He's got a gun. Get out. Get out. Get out. Yeah, he's got a gun. He's got a gun. He's got a gun. He's got a gun. Get out. Get out. Get out.